Hey, what's up guys? So as you know that the OneUi 7 update is one of the most anticipated update, and after a long wait, we finally got this update on our older flagship models. But despite all these new features and the UI changes, we have some bugs and issues with the OneUi 7 update as well. So today in this video, I will show you an easy fix that you can apply on your device to fix those bugs or issues. First of all, many users were facing a battery drain issue. This battery drain issue is very common as I was also facing this, but I tried this trick and it worked out for me. So for this trick, you will have to first of all power off your device, and once your device is completely powered off, you will have to long press your power button and the volume up button. As you can see now, I will long press my power button and the volume up button at once, and you have to keep pressing both these buttons until your device goes into the recovery mode. You just have to keep pressing, and once your device is in the recovery mode, you can release it. Now to navigate up or down over here, you can use your volume button, and to select anything you will use your power button. From here, select this wipe cache partition and tap on your power button, then you have to tap on yes. Now you have to reboot your system now. Once your device cache is cleared, just simply reboot your system now and your device wait now, power on. So it will clear all the cache of your device, and this trick worked for me to fix all the bugs and issues and the battery drain that I was facing before. But if you are still facing any battery drain issue, so your battery might have degraded over time. So now you can do another easy fix for that. For that, you will have to compromise your refresh rate from 120Hz to 60Hz. Or secondly, you can change the screen resolution from QHD Plus to FHD Plus, as the QHD Plus consumed more battery life. By the way, there was another issue as well, and that is this lock screen delay. When you lock your phone, it takes a while to completely lock. But you can fix it by simply going into the settings and turning the QHD Plus resolution on, and it will fix the lock screen delay of your device. But we have a same battery drain issue with the QHD Plus, so you will have to compromise it. Hopefully Samsung will fix all these bugs and issues that are with the OneUi 7 update really soon, as this is really annoying. And that's all for today's video. Try out this battery drain fix trick, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section that are you facing these issues on your device or not.